Weather Service in Mobile has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Santa Rosa County in northwestern Florida, central Escambia County in northwestern Florida, until 1:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 1:01 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Molino, or 8 miles northwest of Gonzales, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pace, Milton, Baghdad, Molino, Tea Ridge, Roseville, Florida Town, and Point Baker. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:45 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Florida: Escambia and Santa Rosa. This is NOAA.